Well, I had a builder working for us who had this place in the Sunshine Coast, and at the time I was stuck out at Moranborough, and I just called up one of my daughters to come and have a look at it for me. She loved it on first sight, so that was good enough for me. After that I bought the property sight unseen. My oldest daughter moved in first for a year or two. She was working and studying at the time. Then my son moved in for a year or two. And after that, my youngest daughter moved in for a year or two while she was working and studying as well. My favourite thing, I like the back area here most of all. I just love sitting out here in the mornings, it's beautiful. I can walk to everything from here, Bunnings, Sunshine Plaza, the beach. About 80 metres across the park there at the back there's a little shopping complex. It's got a Pizza Hut, a Bottle O and an IGA. Just about all I need.